Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hibob HRIS platform. Hibob HRIS platform is a cloud-based human resources information system designed to streamline HR processes for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to centralize employee data, manage payroll, track time off, and facilitate communication within a company. Key features include employee self-service portals, recruitment tools, and performance management capabilities. Their website provides details on pricing and specific feature sets. Hibob positions itself as a user-friendly and intuitive alternative to more complex HR systems, highlighting ease of use and a streamlined interface as key selling points. They emphasize a focus on employee experience and claim to offer comprehensive reporting tools. Pricing seems to be tailored to company size and specific needs, though details require direct contact or visiting their site. Availability is worldwide, as it's a cloud-based solution. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hibob. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was well structured and their tutorial videos were extremely helpful. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I was able to quickly locate and manage employee information, process payroll, and generate reports. I particularly appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for organizing employee data. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing. It was fast and reliable, never experiencing any glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about setting up custom reports, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how visually appealing and organized the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the integrated communication tools, making it easy to announce company updates or send direct messages to employees. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited mobile app functionality. Some tasks were easier to perform on the desktop version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hibob. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly improved the efficiency of our HR processes. That's my overview of Hibob HRIS platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.